Imagine falling into a place where time stops, space stretches like rubber, and the laws of physics basically go, yeah, I quit. Sounds like science fiction, right? But nope, it's real and it's called a black hole. You won't believe this about black holes. Some scientists think they might be gateways to other universes. Yeah, actual portals. If you're into cool and surprising facts like this, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps a ton, and hey, it tells me you're loving this weird cosmic journey. Subpoint 1. Okay, so what even is a black hole? Let's start simple. A black hole is a region in space with insane gravity. Like not just drop your phone and it hits the ground gravity. We're talking about light can't even escape levels of gravity. They're invisible, completely dark. You can't see them, but we can detect their presence by how they affect nearby stars and gas. Think of them like that one quiet kid in school who never speaks, but secretly controls the whole class. Yeah, that's a black hole. Subpoint 2. How are these cosmic monsters born? Most black holes form when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses in on itself. The result? A supernova, a massive explosion, followed by a teeny tiny, ridiculously heavy core, the black hole. To give you an idea, imagine stuffing Mount Everest into a thimble, still not even close. A black hole packs millions of suns into something the size of a city. Basically, it's nature's most extreme compression machine. Subpoint 3. The event horizon, the ultimate point of no return. Here's where things get spooky. The event horizon is the boundary of a black hole. Cross it and boom, there's no turning back. It's like the edge of a waterfall, but in space. And instead of water, it's reality falling in. Once you pass this point, even if you're light, the fastest thing in the universe, you're not getting out. If you somehow floated toward a black hole feet first, gravity at your feet would be pulling harder than at your head. This would stretch you out like spaghetti, a process scientists actually call spaghettification. Delicious? Nope. Terrifying? Absolutely. Still hanging in there? Awesome. Because what I'm about to tell you next, it's going to change how you think about the universe. Subpoint 4. So, what's inside a black hole? Nobody knows. No, seriously, not even Einstein could figure it out. At the center of a black hole is something called a singularity, a point where gravity is infinite and the laws of physics break down. That's right, all our fancy math, our equations, our understanding of space and time, they stop working. Some scientists think black holes might actually be wormholes, tunnels to other parts of the universe, or maybe even other universes. Imagine jumping into a black hole and popping out in another galaxy, or another timeline. Yeah, Marvel fans, we're kind of talking multiverse vibes here. Of course, it's all theoretical, because if anyone did go in, they'd never come back to tell us. Subpoint 5. Black holes aren't all the same size. There are stellar black holes, a few times the mass of our sun. But then there are the supermassive ones chilling at the centers of galaxies. Our very own Milky Way, it has one too. It's called Sagittarius A, and it's over 4 million times the mass of the sun. And the biggest one ever found? It's called Ton 618, and it's around 66 billion times heavier than our sun. Billion. With a B, it's basically the final boss of gravity. Subpoint 6, do black holes ever die? Turns out yes. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes slowly leak energy, something called Hawking radiation. And over trillions of years, they could shrink and eventually vanish. But hey, that's like way longer than the universe has even existed, so we've got time. So what did we learn today? Black holes are mysterious, terrifying, powerful, and kind of beautiful. They bend space and time, hide secrets we still can't crack, and might even be the keys to understanding the universe's biggest mysteries. And who knows, maybe in the far future we'll actually use them to travel through space or time or both. Mind you, now brows are blown. If this blew your mind too, hit that subscribe, because we've only just scratched the surface of the weirdness out there. Thanks for hanging out, fellow space nerd, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, don't fall into any black holes.